Hey guys, it's Laura from Lightning Cosplay. In today's video I'm going to show you how we made my famous hoof shoes with a 3D printer. For this, ELEGOO sent us their brand new Centauri Carbon, which will be released pretty soon, so make sure to check out the link in the description. The pre-sale starts on February 17th. I'm super happy that we had the chance to test their new printer and see how well it works for our cosplay projects. ELEGOO was so nice, they didn't just send us the Centauri Carbon, we also got the brand new Saturn IV Ultra 16K, a resin printer with some amazing features. It has 16K resolution, a heated resin tank for consistent prints, and an AI camera to monitor your prints in real time. So, if you're into resin printing and want crazy details, this one is definitely worth checking out. For more info, check the link in the video description. Happy Laura is happy with her new toy, but today it's all about the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon. For my cosplay projects, I need a printer that is easy to use, where I don't have to worry about complicated settings. They say the Centauri Carbon is a powerful yet easy to use 3D printer that combines speed, quality and convenience. We're going to find out if that's true. It has a large touchscreen, which I really like. So satisfying. So far I'm very happy with the printer. The unboxing was smooth, it has a sturdy and durable design, and I really like how it looks. Of course, we are all curious about the price, and honestly, it's pretty good. Since it's not officially on the market yet, we don't know the exact price, but it will be around $500. Now let's see how well the printer actually performs. I made many hoof shoes in the past, but I always used resin casts for the hoofs. So this time we're going to try something else and 3D print the hoof. First we scan the shoe to get a perfect 3D model. And then we design the hoof in a 3D modeling software. We've done this for several cosplay projects before, and having a scan of your head, body or shoe is super helpful when you need a perfect fit. Of course, the hoof needed some fine details, and then it was ready for printing. ELEGOO sent us this perfectly matching filament, the exact same color as the shoes we chose. It's called Sakura Pink and it's a matte PLA. The printer is super easy to load. Adjust the nozzle temperature based on the material recommendations, wait for it to heat up, and that's it. Done! The ELEGOO Slicer software that comes with the printer is very intuitive. Just drag and drop your 3D file into the software and you're ready to adjust the print settings. Make sure to select the right material, in our case matte PLA, and enable the support if needed. Of course, the software offers many more settings, but these are the ones you absolutely need. Now you can send the file directly to the printer via Wi-Fi or export it to a USB stick. And then the printer does its job. One hoof only takes 7 hours, which is super fast. We've been using 3D printing in cosplay for over 10 years now, and it's crazy to see how much the technology has improved. There are already a few fast printers on the market, but this one is even faster. And of course, it also has a built-in camera that automatically records time lapses of your prints. Once the print is done, you just remove the magnetic build plate, bend it slightly, and the print pops right off. Super easy. I'm really happy with the print quality, so let's move on to assembling the hoof shoes. We knew the hoof wouldn't fit perfectly on the shoe, but that was on purpose. It was an intentional design choice to make the hoof look even more authentic. To adjust the fit, we cut a small wedge into the plateau, and after that, it fit perfectly. To attach the hoof, I used high-density urethane foam. It's not just a stronger adhesive, it also fills the gap between the hoof and the plateau, making everything more stable and durable. To hide the seam, I added a color-matching ribbon around the edge. The shoes needed a little extra detail, so we decided to add small claws to the heels. This was actually inspired by goat hooves, which have these cute little claws. For better grip on the floor, I filled the bottom of the hooves with hot glue. Since hot glue can get very hot, I wasn't sure if it would soften the PLA, but it worked perfectly. The silicone slice is a leftover from a big mold making project, and it's perfect to flatten the glue while it's still hot and soft. The last touch was adding some cute ribbons, and then the 3D printed hoof shoes were done. Look how cute they turned out. My biggest concern was that the 3D prints might crack when walking on them. But I think filling them with high-density urethane foam really helped to make them strong and durable. I'm definitely taking them to the next convention to see how well they hold up after a full day of walking. This was such a fun project, thanks to ELEGOO for sponsoring it. So far, I'm really happy with the new printer and I'm sure I'm going to use it for many future cosplay projects. The Centauri Carbon has a lot of smart features. It's plug and play, it's super fast, and the best thing, it costs only around $500. So if you're looking for a new 3D printer for cosplay or any other project, this one is definitely worth considering. I hope you enjoyed watching me creating another pair of fancy hoof shoes. If you have any cool ideas for my next build, let me know in the comments. I'm always curious what you guys want to see. So, see you next time. Bye bye!